This is Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales in Anderson, Indiana. We are going to take a walkthrough on a new 2022 Forest River Impression 270 RK fifth wheel. This is a mid-profile, lighter weight fifth wheel designed for most 3/4 ton trucks. As you can see, it has a really sleek design, really nice looking front fiberglass cap. Has a tremendous amount of outside storage in what we call the basement, underbelly storage, if you will. This model has outside speakers, features a power awning with LED lights. It has the 3-step solid step, folds up inside the doorway for convenient towing. All of the impressions come from the factory, already equipped with the Go Power solar on board, which means you can have DC power via the solar panel and be able to primitive camp for a great deal of time. So you can run things like your lights, your blower motor for your furnace. Still have hot water, be able to use your water pump. Again, a really good looking fifth wheel, nice graphics. Also has a 2-way automatic ignition gas or electric water heater. Here's the other side of the storage compartment. And this is your docking station. Anything pertaining to the water is done right here. Fresh water, that is. You fill your tanks, water heater bypass, black water tank flush, city water connection, outside shower, everything's right here. And then here's your dump valve assembly. You have 2 gray and a single black tank. This model is equipped with the 4-point auto levelers. Very convenient. Get to the campground, push a button. Fifth wheel's going to level itself. Let's go on the inside and take a look. One thing you'll notice with the Impression, it is a very light, bright interior. Lots of windows. Large island there. Decent countertop space. This is the Furion DC Refrigerator. I'll say that again. That is a DC fridge. It operates on 12 volt only, no gas. That's a great thing. You can use it anywhere, anytime, going up and down the road, sitting in a campground, sitting at home. Again, 12 volt only. Decent storage in the kitchen. Nice pantry. Open that up here. Lots of space in that pantry. They even give you these totes that you can carry in the house and load your food up in, bring it out and put it in your pantry. Okay, moving forward, you have your freestanding dinette and 4 chairs. You do have storage in the seat of the chair. And then you've got this extra leaf that folds out. Give you more space. There are your theater seats. Those are recliners. And then there's also a hide-a-bed if you need to sleep a couple extra people. Decent storage up here as well. The entertainment system features a very large Sansui TV, Bluetooth soundbar, and then a fireplace, which is a heater as well. Moving up into the upper deck here to the bedroom. You've got the front windscreen there that it's going to allow a tremendous amount of light into the front bedroom. There's your queen bed. Another window, which is the egress window or escape window. Shirt wardrobes on either side of the bed. Another window over here, so you're going to get excellent ventilation. And then as we pan around here, we have another closet. And this closet is prepped for a washer and dryer. You can either do the combo or the stackable there. This model does have 2 air conditioners. It is 50 amp service. So on those really hot days, you have the capacity to run 2 airs and stay nice and cool. I'll take a peek at the bathroom here. Here's your control panel. Dual thermostats again because you have dual airs. And then there's your LCI keypad. That keypad will allow you to operate everything from the jacks to the slide rooms with that keypad. And then you can sync your phone to it and use your phone as your remote. So, really handy. Big shower. Upgraded toilet, high-rise toilet with a pedal flush. Again, this is a 2022 Forest River Impression 270 RK. If you're looking for a lightweight, spacious fifth wheel with a lot of amenities, this might be the one for you. You should definitely come take a look at this one. And oh yeah, by the way, all of our new travel trailers and fifth wheels come with our exclusive lifetime warranty. Come check us out. I'm Chris Smith with Modern Trailer Sales.